So we had a close call with my guy here the other day. He was real low on energy, man. He was like, wow, he wasn't himself. And it turned out we did some research. Turned out he might have had low blood sugar. So Jenny gave him some honey and we some in his water. And by the next day, he was his old self again, running around yapping all day. But he's back on his feet. He's in good shape. And here's the interesting thing. Jenny in India uses the Chat TPT to help us understand what he might be going through and what would help him. So we've been doing pretty good. He's licking my fingers because he thinks I have treat on him. He's so greedy. Lick all the treat residue off my fingers. So that's not him kissing me. He's licking my fingers because he thinks there's treat food on there. He smells the treat food. But if that's what it takes to bribe him, then I'll do it. Ow! Bite me, nigga. But he's a good dog. He did good today. He had a good day today. Today he went from the crate to his piss box. That's the thing that Jenny gives him. Most Yorkie, they don't like this little tube for the what do you call it? This is for the paper towels. It's harmless, but it's a good way to. We got to get the spray. That's what I got to get. I got to get the spray bottle. But this little tapper, you tap him on the top of the forehead. You want him to say no, and he'll stop. No. And this also stops. It doesn't hurt. You just give him a little poop. Yeah, see, he don't like it though. He want to tear it. He hate this thing. He said this thing. See, yapping. He don't like this thing at all. But yeah, the Chat BBT helped get him back on board. Energy back up. Blood sugar was low. It turned out. So a little honey in the water. Licked it off the fingers. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. He's back to his old self. He did a good job today. He took a nap and put him down for a couple of hours. We let him rest for 2-3 hours. Then we get him up. He's on a schedule and bring him out in the back. He goes in that box right there and he pees and busts a nut and there's a little bit of water, a little bit of cool water with ice. We give him some cool water, put an ice cube in it, keep it nice and cool. And he come back here and we play and interact with him for a little while so he don't feel lonely. But it's not time for him to go and wander the house yet until he's, well, as you would like to say, potty trained. Yeah. Yeah. Other than that, he's good. He's a good guy. So far, so good. He's learning. I believe he's learning. I let him out the cage in the front where he sleeps. And make him follow me right back here. He doesn't get to wander around the house. Come from the crate, right back to his other piss box. Have a little bite, have something to drink, and do a little running around. Give him and when he pees and he does his business in the box like he did today, he did very good. I give him a little square treat to reward him. To remind him that you get that delicious treat every time you bust that chicken McNugget in there, brother. But yeah, he's so far so good, man. He's a pretty good guy. He's still a pup. He's still wild, ambitious, and rambunctious. He's rough and rugged. He's definitely Loki, aka Method Man. And weigh him out. I like the way his hair looks underneath his chin and chest. I like his furry chest. And make sure when he gets a haircut that's like a very distinguishing area underneath his chin, his chest area, and the way he walks. I like that fur bush underneath his chin. I'm gonna like make sure when they give him when he gets his first grooming, they kind of mind him. Don't shave that down. Keep that. I want that to be his distinction there. It gives him a large chest, because he walks with his chest up. He definitely walks like a prince. I like to mess with him. We'll hang out with him for you see how it's more bushy around, thinner around here, and it gets a little more thicker around the chest area, so it makes him look like he's swole, like he built and shit. Yeah, I like that look on him. And he has a kind of a look and stuff. Let's see if he'll look in the camera. He's always trying to chew my claws. You see yourself? You paying attention to yourself? Ow! He's cool. Ow! Okay. Should go sit in the shade, man. Over here, you're supposed to sit over here in the shade, bro.